So in this video we're just going to look more at the if statement and the different types of conditions that we can test. So we're just going to do a quick program like a number guessing game, and I'll just demonstrate some of the different conditions. So we're just going to set up a number and we'll make it a number between 1 and 10. I'll put the number 5. Okay, so that's what someone's going to try and guess. We'll set up a variable called guess where the user has to enter a number between 1 and 10. We'll also guess a number from 1 to 10. Okay, so the user is going to input a number from 1 to 10. Now, there are lots of things we can test, so let's test to see if they got it right. So we'll say, well, if their guess is equal to the number. Now, when you do a conditional check, you use 2 equal signs. So that means it is absolutely equal to. So if guess is equal to the number, then we would print that's right. And then else, but nope. Okay, so if I run that program there, you'll see guess a number from 1 to 10. If I get it wrong, nope. If it is equal to, in other words, it meets that condition with the 2 equal signs, that's right. Okay, so that's the first thing to remember, is that if you're testing to see if something is equal to something else, you use 2 equal signs. If you're checking to see if it's not right, so it doesn't equal that, what you do is use an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. So now, if that condition is true, in other words, guess is not equal to the number, it means they were wrong. So we'll print nope. If this is false, in other words, it is not equal, in other words, it will be equal, then we would say that's right. It's kind of backwards logic, but try it anyway. So if I say 4, which is not equal, that means the condition will be true, so it prints nope. Okay, let's close that shell down again. Okay, so that's the first 2 conditions you can check, is equal to, which is 2 equal signs, or not equal to, which is the exclamation mark. Now we can also compare sizes, so we could say greater than. So this means our guess is greater than the number, so we could say that's too big. Otherwise, there's not a lot we can say. Not too big. So we'll test that. If I enter the number 8, which is too big, there it is. This condition here is correct, so it's true, therefore we do this. You can also say it's greater than or equal to, which looks like this, which will be if it is a 5 or higher. So we probably wouldn't use this one in this case, because if it's equal, then they've actually guessed it, so it would make sense maybe just to have it greater than. We can also do less than, and also less than or equal to. So the less than, if the guess is less than the number, we would want to say too small, and if that fails, then it's not too small, which means it could be right. So here we go, if I put a 3 in there, that is too small, and there you go. So those are some of the different types of conditions we can check. So remember, we've got equals, not equals, greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to.